Oh man. One thing you always get with Sweetwater, got me some good candy this time. It's like the more money you spend, I think you get better pieces. Nah, I'm just teasing. All right, first we got a spot here, spot there. So first thing in the box, USB. Look like that's a USB B side connector. Here's the A side connector. So you usually know that MIDI controllers got the B side of the USB. All right. So you see how this comes properly wrapped. There you have it, guys. I got the 61 key. This is a big, healthy, big body, baby. Ah, man, I got so many more keys this time. Y'all ready? So here, sustain pedal, a MIDI out, USB, on and off switch, power. But guess what? It does not come with a power cord. It can be powered by the MIDI. So you'll have to buy your own separate power cord. And the power cord is a 9-volt, 500 milliamps. Keys feels wonderful. It feels a little bit more responsive. Like, I mean, it's almost the same, but just a little bit more responsive over the 49 I had. I'm going to go ahead and take the camera, get a close up so you can see the gear. So I just want to test the buttons here. You got the octave up and down. You got fast forward and rewind. You got stop, play, loop, record. Then you got all of these buttons. This feels high quality. It's plastic, but it's strong and tough. It's not like loose or whatever. Then right here, this is how you, when I guess you're doing the roll, they have a roll function there. So you got the hi-hat rolls here, drum rolls or whatever. They got all the roll functions. And over here, we got our pads. I would say the MPCs feel better, but for what you getting in this controller for 300, it's a steal. Oh my goodness. Now, these feels really good. As you can see, you move it, it don't pop back in place, but this one does. So I'm assuming that's the pitch wheel. Really great feeling wheels there. If you can just look, got the nice blue LED light coming out. Yeah. I'm about to get a vibe in here, change the studio lights color blue. This is the Alesis website. This is where you get your software so you can change the controls if you like. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, sub. Check out the cook-up.